So, boat project day one. Right off the bat, I went to reattach the driver's seat and discovered that we had a little issue with the floor here. So, that's alright. I was going to remove the carpet anyways, so it's pretty much just a 8x4 sheet of plywood that's fiberglass coated that got rotted out from water damage. So we'll clean it all up and vacuum it out and slap a new piece of plywood in there and fiberglass it. So I'll keep you posted. Engine is actually in remarkably good shape. Some little substandard wiring issues that we'll fix up, but other than that, it looks pretty good. So Mercruiser GM 350, nice motor. Be redoing the vinyl here, it's pretty badly dry rotted. So we'll keep you posted.